Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this video, I will show you how to reset the Windows search index in Windows 11. If Windows search is not finding your files, showing incomplete results, or searching very slowly, resetting the search index can often fix these issues. Windows will rebuild the index automatically, although it may take some time depending on the number of files on your computer. So let's get started. First, press Windows plus I on your keyboard to open the Settings app. From the left panel, click on the Privacy and Security. On the right side, scroll down and under Windows Permissions, click on the Search. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Advanced Indexing Options. The Indexing Options window will now open. Here, click on the Advanced button. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. Under the Index Settings tab, look for the Troubleshooting section and click on the Rebuild button. You can monitor the indexing progress by returning to the search page in the Settings app. It will show how many items have been indexed and whether indexing is still in progress. To start rebuilding index, click on the OK button. During the rebuilding process, search results may be limited, but once indexing is complete, Windows search should work normally again. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more Windows 11 and Windows 10 tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.